Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the art of woodworking with an exciting project, crafting a unique outdoor table using traditional woodworking techniques. In this video, we'll take you through every step of the process, from selecting the right wood to adding those stunning finishing details. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, you'll discover valuable insights and techniques to elevate your craft. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a gorgeous outdoor table idea, but also the skills and knowledge to create it yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future woodworking projects. Now, let's get started and craft something truly unique. Before we touch the wood, let's map out our project. A clear plan ensures precision and a smooth workflow. Consider the purpose of your table dining, decor, or multi-purpose use. Decide on the dimensions based on your outdoor space. Sketch out your design. A rectangular table with a rustic touch is a classic choice, but you can also opt for round or oval shapes. For outdoor furniture, durability is key. Choose weather-resistant wood such as teak, naturally resistant to water and decay; cedar, lightweight, fragrant, and resistant to insects; redwood, strong and rot-resistant with a beautiful finish. Ensure the wood is kiln-dried to prevent warping and cracking. Here's what you'll need: hand saws and chisels for traditional cuts, a plane for smoothing edges, a mallet, clamps, and a square for precise joinery, sandpaper or a sanding block for finishing, non-toxic wood glue and outdoor-grade screws for assembly. Now that we have a plan, it's time to start shaping the raw materials. Measure and mark each piece of wood according to your design. Tip: double-check all measurements to avoid errors. Precision is crucial. Use a hand saw for straight cuts or a coping saw for curves to keep cuts clean and smooth. Clamp the wood securely to a workbench. Use slow, steady motions for a precise cut. For a traditional look, opt for mortise and tenon or dovetail joints. Step by step for a mortise and tenon joint. Mark the mortise location on one piece of wood. Use a chisel to carve out the mortise. Shape the tenon on the corresponding piece to fit snugly into the mortise. Pro tip: test fit each joint before gluing to ensure accuracy. Plane the edges of each piece for a clean finish. Sand the surface using coarse grit sandpaper, gradually moving to finer grits. Be mindful of sharp corners. Smooth them out for safety and aesthetics. With all the pieces prepared, it's time to bring the table to life. Arrange the planks side by side. Apply wood glue along the edges and clamp them together tightly. Reinforce the underside with support beams. Pro tip: use biscuits or dowels between planks for added strength and alignment. Assemble the legs using the joints you prepared earlier. Attach the frame to the legs, ensuring everything is square and level. Secure connections with screws or dowels for durability. Position the frame over the tabletop and align it properly. Secure the frame to the tabletop with screws from underneath. Leave a small gap for wood expansion to avoid cracking over time. Here's where we make your table truly unique. Use a chisel or router to carve decorative grooves or rounded edges. Creative idea: add a live edge for a rustic, natural look. Apply a wood sealer or oil to protect against moisture and UV damage. Use a natural finish like tung oil for a subtle sheen, or go for outdoor-grade varnish for added durability. Inlay a decorative design using contrasting wood or resin. Add hooks or a small shelf under the table for functionality. Before showcasing your table, let's perfect it. Sand the entire table again with fine grit sandpaper to achieve a silky finish. Buff the surface to enhance the natural beauty of the wood grain. For a traditional look, stick to natural finishes. For a modern twist, consider a two-tone paint scheme or bold accent colors. Check for wobbles or loose joints. Tighten screws and reapply glue where needed. And there you have it, a stunning outdoor table crafted with traditional woodworking techniques. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. Imagine the countless meals, gatherings, and memories that will be shared around this table. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your own woodworking projects in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time with more exciting DIY projects and woodworking tutorials. Happy crafting!